is here, and there's something about the season. It feels like a reset. Air is fresher, the days are longer, and everything just feels new. And whether or not the sun decides to come out this week, I'm in the mood for some spring cleaning. Whether it's repotting my plants, or even flipping my mattress. But let's be real, there is one task that is holding me back, and that's deep cleaning my floors. Thankfully, MOVA sent over the K30 wet and dry vacuum for me to check out, and it got me motivated to finally do it. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you're looking forward to doing some spring cleaning and maybe need some techie help, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. In this video, we'll test out the new MOVA K30 wet and dry vacuum. First things first, an unboxing. Packaging looks like this, and all around the box, you'll see all the features you get with the vacuum. It's suction power, one-press self-cleaning, hot air drying, and more. And don't worry, we'll get into all of this in a bit. But first, let's get it out of the box and get started. In the package, you get the user manual, MOVA's proprietary cleaning solution, a cleaning brush, a spare roller, and an extra filter. Of course, you also get the handle, charging dock, and the body of the vacuum itself. Let's peel these off. So satisfying. The water tank is over here at the back. To release, just press here. Let's fill it up and add some of that cleaning solution. To install it back, you just slide it in like so. And now it's time to charge. In a few minutes, it should be ready to clean. The handle has 3 physical buttons. To turn it on or off, you press on the power button over here, while this button is to change modes.
Ultra mode, turbo mode, suction mode, auto mode.
And this button up top is to start self-cleaning when the vacuum is docked. Whether it's a mess from baking or gardening, or a graveyard of dust lurking in the nooks and crannies of your home, cleaning is not gonna feel as much of a chore with the right tool like the MOVA K30. This wet and dry vacuum has got up to 18,000 pascals of suction power. So it doesn't just clean, it devours dust, crumbs, even liquid spills, all in one go. The mopping system scrubs away stubborn stains like this with way more power than a regular mop. So instead of dragging a dirty mop back and forth with manual pressure, you get pure deep cleaning with a few easy glides. And the best part is its self-propelled design, making it feel lighter as it glides forward. At less than 9 pounds, it's also light enough to carry between rooms. Save the workout for the gym. Everything about the K30 makes cleaning easy. When set to auto mode, it's also smart enough to adjust suction power and water levels depending on the mess you're dealing with. That way, it also doesn't leave streaks from excess water. No need to fiddle with settings, just glide with ease and let it do all the hard work. And you'll know how hard it's working because of this LED display. This bar turns red the messier your floor is, orange when it needs a few more passes, and finally it turns green when there's very minimal dirt left. It's also got voice prompts, so you know exactly what's happening or what you need to do next. For example, when it's time to empty the dirty water tank, it says this.
Used water tank full. Please clean the used water tank.
And speaking of, the dirty water tank is able to separate solid and liquid, as you can see from this gunk. Liquid waste stays here, while all the debris and hair are gathered here. That way, neither your vacuum nor your drain gets clogged. Its 30-minute battery life is rated to cover up to 240 square meters, about 2,580 square feet, which is more than enough for my New York City apartment. One charge can clean the kitchen, living room, and my bedroom, with plenty of charge left over when I'm done. When it comes to cleaning, when you can't see the mess, it's always easy to forget that it's there. Which is how we all end up with dust bunnies under our beds. It's not a monster making a mess down there. And that's why I'm grateful the MOVA K30 has a 180-degree lie-flat design. It bends like this, so I don't have to get on the floor just to reach under my furniture. It fits in spaces as low as 8 centimeters, or just a little over 3 inches. So I've been able to clean not just under my bed, but also these tables and chairs. And what about those tricky edges? Typically, dirt builds up along the walls and corners of your home, but with edge-to-edge cleaning design, the K30 leaves no dust, no gaps, no crumbs, right up to the edges. Let's face it, the only thing worse than a dirty floor is a mop or vacuum that smells like one. Most of them get gross over time, but this one, it takes care of itself when you're done taking care of your space. When you put it back on the dock and press this button, self-cleaning is activated, which means the roller brush gets scrubbed as if you're doing a deep hand wash yourself. So you never end up with grime. Once it's done with its little bath, it dries itself with hot air. So your brush doesn't stay damp, nor does it get musty over time. It takes only 30 minutes to dry, then it's fresh and ready for your next cleaning session. If you need help getting started with your spring cleaning, I highly recommend checking out the MOVA K30 Wet and Dry Vacuum. It's made cleaning so much easier for me, and dare I say, actually satisfying. It's currently on sale at just under $300, so make sure to check out the links in the description box down below, and thank you MOVA for sponsoring this video. With winter behind us, I'm feeling much more energized, so if you'd like to see more spring-themed content, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we publish new videos. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun, travel, and fashion, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.